Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create text cropping effect in Filmora. So the good news is that you can create this effect in Filmora 9, Filmora 10, and also Filmora 11. Okay, so it is very simple. Just follow some simple steps to create this kind of cropping text when you're talking on the screen. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so now I'm inside Filmora 11, okay, and if you are in Filmora 9, it is the same. So this is the effect that we are going to create, okay, the sample timeline, so let's play it. Okay, it is very nice, right? And the first thing, we want to delete the title. Okay, so I'm going to delete the title on the timeline. So now I have a video here. Supposing that it is a talking head video or stuff like that, and you want to add some text when you are talking about something. Okay, so first thing, we want to move the playhead to the position that you want to add the text. And the second thing, you want to go to title. Okay, so go to title and then find the default title. So the default title in Filmora 9, Filmora 10, and Filmora 11 is in the basic folder. So select the basic folder and then you can search for the default title right here. Just search default title and press enter. Okay, and now you have the default title right here. Okay, just drag and drop it onto the timeline. So maybe you can put it right here on top of your video. And the next thing, you want to customize the text. Okay, to do that, just double click at the text and then go to the text tab here and then change the text to what you want to say. Okay, crop text. All right, and maybe we can select a preset for this text. So I'm going to select this one, the text style number 8. So just double click. And now it is in yellow, but I want to make a white, so a white text. So I'm going to select this text color and then click more, and then I'm going to select white here. Okay, and then I can click OK, and now I have a white text right here, and then we can select it and then just put it anywhere on the screen. And the next thing, you want to add a motion to this text. So I mean, you can use Filmora 9 and Filmora 10 to create this effect, because in Filmora 9 and Filmora 10 we also have motion. Okay, so to do that, we can just double click at the text box again and then select the animation tab right here. Okay, so at this animation tab you will find this one, preset motion. So remember, if you are in Filmora 9 or Filmora 10, you want to find the preset motion. And then for dropping text effect, we have two effects here, flip down number 1 and flip down number 2. Okay, so for example, this one, I'm going to use this one, flip down number 1. Just double click at the motion to apply it to your text. And now we have the first text on the timeline, drop text. And if you want to create another text right here, all you need to do is to select this one and then right click and select copy. And now you want to lock this track and then put the playhead here at the beginning of the text, and then you can press Ctrl V or Command V on your Mac OS to create another text. Okay, so this is the drop text and I'm going to put it right here on the right side, and we can change it to flip down number 2. Okay, to do that, we just need to double click at the text again and then double click here, flip down number 2, and maybe you can select flip up 1, flip up 2, is up to you. Okay, so let's click OK and preview the effect. Nice. Alright, so that is how to create cropping text effect in Filmora. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.